A lot of people will tell you you're not good. Yung mga classmates nyo nga ngayon, sasabihin nila, hindi ka magaling. Right? Gaya-gaya ka lang. Ang daming ganyan. Ang daming mga dream stealers. When you thought about putting up your auditing firm for accountancy students, people will say, wala ka pang sinasabi, naka-graduate mo pa lang, naisibang ka ba? And then for business people, mag-empleyado ka na lang, parents. Would they say that? Maski na business courses kayo, may nagsasabi ba na business course ka, magtrabaho ka, mag-empleyado ka. May ganun ba? Chances are, meron pa din. So, kahit anong mangyari, maski na ka-love life mo pa yan, jowa mo pa yung magsabi na huwag mong pasukin yan, believe in yourself. Sino pa bang maniniwala sa'yo kung di sarili mo? Tama ba? When everybody is doubting, that's when you have to believe in yourself.